And speaking about that dead mouse that was found inside a bottle of Hershey's syrup, Hershey's, one of the largest candy and chocolate companies in the world, has responded to this story from India about the mouse in their bottle of syrup. Hershey's has sought manufacturing details. This is, of course, the standard operating procedure. They always seek details. They've said that they will address concerns. How on earth could a dead mouse get inside a bottle of Hershey's chocolate syrup? It's one of the best-selling products all over the world, most certainly here in India as well. A dead mouse getting inside a bottle of Hershey's chocolate syrup is, if that doesn't ring alarm bells as far as quality control is concerned, one doesn't know what will. Hershey's is a Fortune 500 company. It's a huge multi-billion-dollar conglomerate. A company that is considered one of the biggest chocolate and candy makers in the world. A company that has been around for nearly a century, in fact. And for companies like these that have the pride of enormous resources, enormous supply chains, very, very ready captive markets in different countries, for a mouse to be found in a Hershey's bottle of syrup, it's extremely concerning. And Sneha, our health editor, is with us for more on this story. Sneha, we're talking about the dead mouse in a bottle of chocolate syrup, and I was just telling our viewers that this isn't just disgusting. This could actually be deadly. Isn't that true?
Yeah, absolutely. In fact, it could lead to serious poisoning. There have been many instances in the past where food items, usually food items in the open, where there's been contamination, where lizards have been found, especially in midday meals. We've seen several instances of that, so that is really on top of my mind. When I speak with you, it's led to severe food poisoning and also death on many occasions. No reason why the aggrieved party should not either challenge this in a court of law where you have forums open. It's a consumer court, but I'm also wondering what is stopping authorities like the Food Standards State Safety Authority of India, FSSAI, which in fact authorizes all of these products. Any food product which is sold in India, especially these products that you've just mentioned, Hershey syrup, for example, also the pack of chips, all of these would have been authorized by the FSSAI. So why is it that they're not taking cognizance of this entire matter, given that there have been increasing instances? I would presume that because of social media also shift this news of this nature in fact reaches us fast, and because of the simple shock value attached to it, because today it's somebody else, tomorrow it could be in my bottle of Hershey's chocolate syrup, for all you know. I mean, this was a regular person ordering it from Zepto. Hershey's of course has responded, but does that offer any solutions? Does that rule out that this is not going to happen? Once again, I don't think so, and that's where things get very difficult as far as the consumer is concerned. I mean, a bottle of chocolate syrup with a rat found at the end of it, a pack of chips with a dead frog found. These are serious health concerns. It could lead to food poisoning. Let me also tell you, in many cases, food poisoning leads to death as well. So it certainly is a no laughing matter, and the FSSAI would be taking cognizance, or rather should be taking cognizance of this.
All right, Sneha, thanks very much for putting that into perspective for us. It's not just disgusting, it could lead to death.